kapagod. I think 40 na talaga ako kasi masakit na likod ko. And that's it. Hello. It's been a while since huli yata akong it's been a while since nag-post ako or gumawa ako ng video about anything. I think it's been 6 months to be exact if I'm correct. Marami nangyari kasi, naging sobrang busy sa work. Sumakto nun nagwo-workshop pa ako, sumakto nun nag-grad school pa ako. Dami nangyayari and then life happened. Work got really busy, and then of course a lot of personal things na hindi ko in-expect na medyo nangyari all together, but I made sure to still document that even in my own way. Kahit hindi ko na vlog or anything, I made sure to document those simple things na nangyari sa buhay ko, at least nung half ng year last year. And I also decided na to start documenting it again. wala namang mawala if I do it again, or parang back to zero or whatever. I'm just doing this for myself. I'm just doing this to document everything that's happening in my life, recording the small little projects that I do, the small things that I do to improve, to develop myself. Um, as I grow older, this year I'd be like 41 na. Masasabi ko na literally na I'm in my 40s. Pero tsaka na natin pag-usapan yan, masyado pang maaga. January pa lang, April pa yon. So, ilang buwan pa. But yeah, those are the some of the things. Nakita nyo naman snippets ng mga bagay na experience ko recently as the year started. I rekindled my connections with good old friends na halos 20 years ko nang kakilala. At 20 years na halos since last ko silang nakita. Imagine. Um, mga colleagues ko yan na where we were really close when we started working sa HR. Tapos dahil din because of the environment we were in, no, syempre iba yung pag nandun kayo sa isang environment at na-experience yung mga pare-parehong bagay, mas iba yung bond eh. I also, made up made up for what do you call this, yung lost time with my dogs kasi masyado akong busy, so I made sure na at least weekly talagang mamasyal kami, lalabas kami. um, Lalo na after nung nangyari kay Snow, isa sa mga factors din yun bakit ako medyo naglilo mag-vlog kasi it was I think October last year when nagkaroon ng healthcare kay Snow, nagkaroon siya ng tumor sa testicles niya. Tapos medyo natakot kami noon kasi ang tagal nung paggaling niya. But fortunately, with the animal hospital na who really took care of him, with my mom who was there most of the time para alagaan din siya kasi I'm busy, tapos wala ako sa bahay all the time, work ako. So yun, ngayon naman he's very healthy, okay na ulit yung, what do you call this, yung mga balahibo niya, parang nag-grow na ulit healthier, tapos bumalik yung kanyang energy and stuff like that. So yun yung mga ilang sa mga bagay na nangyari lang last year. But at the same time, no, medyo na happy din ako kasi meron akong isang great achievement last year, which is I stopped smoking, I stopped vaping. I just made a decision. May isa kong friend, si Reg, nag-stop lang siya out of nothing. Nag-stop lang siya bigla. Tapos, and it's something that I did also when I first tried to stop smoking, like years ago. So, bigla lang nag-stop. Kasi feeling ko, if I do it gradual, niloloko ko lang sarili ko. So, I did the same thing. At first, I thought it will be difficult. Pero eventually, parang ang dali lang pala. Parang ang dali lang, ang bilis ko lang nakahinto. I just have to be consistent with it. And it's easy. So, ilang buwan na rin, mga halos 6 months or more than na rin akong hindi nagve-vape or hindi nag-yosi, which is a good thing dahil tumatanda na nga tayo. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this year. Sobrang tinaasan ko yung effort, sipag at motivation at focus ko sa grad school ko. Kaya lang medyo nabawasan naman ako sa mga pag-exercise and physical whatever. Pero ibabalik ko yan this year. Kasi gusto ko talagang matapos yun yung grad school. I'm keeping my fingers crossed na konti na lang, konting tawid na lang, malapit na to. Pero basta, I'm hoping na siguro sa mga susunod na vlogs, may mga updates about it, na malapit na talaga siyang matapos. But I'm really hoping and praying and working hard for it. Yeah, and then the rest of the year, hindi ko alam. May mga steps akong ginawa to try to, let's say, take my career to a higher level in a way, or may mga steps akong ginawa para tignan kung hanggang saan yung pwede kong ma-achieve sa current career na meron ako or sa current things na ginagawa ko. And let's see how let's see whatever life throws back at me. Tingnan natin. I tried my best. I worked hard. I tried to ask for what I want. So let's see what happens. Ilang buwan pa naman bago ko malalaman yung mga updates about this. And I'm looking forward for the rest of the year. And sana, hindi rin kayo magsasawa, nandyan lang din kayo. Or kung ano man yung pinagsasabi ko, makinig na lang kayo. 'Di ba? At least may mga ibang tunog lang kayong naririnig. Pwede na 'yon. 'Di ba? And yeah, that's it. I look forward to the next chat or me talking to you. I look forward to that, and I look forward to keeping a record of my life and enjoying everything every day. See ya!